A very good morning to all of you guys. So I am here at my place where I practice, and I woke up not late, but since the weather is a bit coldy, it's a windy here, so I didn't want to come on this place. So but I love to come this place because of the ambience of this nature, the seeing the Surya Narayan rising and brighting up, and the birds are, you can see in my back, chirping on the tree, going here and there. So the entire amalgamation of nature, I love to watch and see this and feel very calm and relaxed. It's really soothing my soul, my everything. So on this video, today is 26th February 2026, and I have uploaded before this video 41 videos, and it approaching 10th Feb. I want to upload complete 60 videos because I will complete 2 months since I have been starting. I have been starting since 10th of January of this year. So I want to upload 2 month uh, 2 month for 60 videos, and so I need to upload more video, then I can be able to complete 60 videos at 60 days. So here I am. So I am on my practice. It is a very important thing because I have been consistent, and it is really matters. It matters to learn anything. So you should be consistent enough. Without consistency, you can't achieve anything in anything. Like if you build your physical fitness, then you have to be consistent on your exercise. And if you want build your communication skill better, then you have to be consistent. And I am consistent I am focusing about my English only, and apart from this I have to do many things which I can't refrain from, like my job, my household things, my family responsibilities. So in this video I'm going to talk about, as I have started 2 days back ago, that is my English connection when I just interact with this language. And it was 6th class in my middle school. It was a government school when first time I interact with this language, because English was taught from that 6th class. in government school. So there was a ma'am, Madhusahi ma'am. She used to uh, teach us English, and she starts with some etymology, and we since it sounds funny, so we all students named her etymology ma'am. So we called her etymology. So one fine day, my neighbor asked me about a sentence in Hindi. So, and I don't know, I didn't know how to translate. So he told me that I should be asking for this translation from my teacher, uh, English teacher. So I went to ask her, and after listening this, she started scolding and beating me brutally. I just started crying and weeping a lot, and after that, when I returned, I told to my told my father everything about, and he had to go to my school and settle down all this thing, and he also make me understand that I shouldn't ask this kind of funny teachers to any elders or teachers. So after that, uh, since I was not focused a student on studies, and it was 8th class when a stranger, a well acquaintance of my father, came to my home. He was working in university, and he casually asked me in uh, English some question in English, and I was not able to answer the questions. Then he asked me a very basic question about at English in English about vowel and consonant. So I was so poor, I was not aware of what is vowel and consonant, and he just not I can't scold me, but he just starting me mocking, not mocking. He was saying that you are in a 8th class and you should be know about this, and just kind of it was humiliating me. So I got humiliated by him, and there my younger brother, who was very uh, younger to me, and since he was a student of convent school, his course was in the CBSE, and he was good at studies. So he was able to answer him many questions. So he also appreciated him. But if I talk about, I was got so disheartened and humiliated. So I uh, take vow, I will learn it, I will going to everything, but all thing gone by time, and had gone by time, and when I go in my 10th class, I have to face the board examination, and English was not compulsory for passing. So I somehow I go to examination, clear the all papers, but if I talk about English, I got failed and that subject. So it was the time, and when after 10th, I I was there was a teacher, uh, uh, English teacher S.K. Prasad, who started in uh, uh, who had started uh, English spoken center in my neighbor 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 in my mohalla, in my ward. So me and my brother and my some friends, my classmates, were, were going there, and hardly we studied 10 or 15 days when the teacher asked for his monthly fee, and I had asked for my fee to pay him, but my father didn't give me, and because of he was thinking that mm, so we don't need to go there, we can study, because my father was good at this language, this English subject. So he didn't give the money, and also I was not so much aware and interested why we need to learn this language and what is the importance of this language. So I also don't uh, push myself to learn this language, and this way this incident had happened, and I will continue. There are so many uh, incidents had happened in my previous life uh, in terms of English learning. So I will continue this my journey to all of you guys, and thank you for watching up to now, because I am taking your leave here, and I don't feel like exercise today, and yesterday I didn't exercise due to I got up late and come on this place a very late time, and if I did exercise, then definitely I would got late. So I didn't exercise yesterday, and I am not going to exercise today itself, because I don't feel like, my body is not saying that I should exercise today, because the weather is not supporting me, and it's a bit late today also. So I would uh, I I don't I wouldn't do exercise today, and maybe I will do tomorrow. But since my first goal is my prime goal is to be confident and fluent in this language, so I can't skip this practice, and I have to consistent. So I come on this place and started recording this video. So I'm going to wind up this video, taking your leave. So I will see you in my next video. Thank you for watching up to now. Have a nice day. Have a great day. Thank you.